Alright, so you get started by taking off ball joints here, outer tie rods here, these guys, and then sway bar links. I've already also got the transmission unbolted here, and rear engine mount is right there, front engine mount, and then that engine mount there. So you're gonna be taking all that out. That should be about it, so let's get to it. Alright, so I've taken out a couple bolts back here now. So there's one that goes right through here. It's for the exhaust support. It comes across over the top. So right there, it's gonna be that hole right there. And then I took all four out for the sway or the steering angle gear. 2, 3, 4 over here. And then, as I said, I already disconnected the actual ends of the sway tie rod links. Here's your sensor right here. Make sure you get that off of there. These 2 bolts for the exhaust bracket over here as well. And that should be it. So hopefully what we're doing is keeping the steering gear attached to the engine, and that's going to hold the whole thing up, so that way when I drop the subframe it'll leave all that. Don't have to worry about any of that falling down. So next plan of action is this negative cable up here, and then this, still haven't taken that bolt out. And yeah, there's just a bunch of bolted hoses to it, so you're gonna have to drop it really slow and make sure that you get all these hoses off of it, because they are bolted down. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my engine mount now over on this side. And again, make sure that the top of your engine is supported. I have a support bar up there, so. Alright, so make sure you get this hose right here. It's this little white hose that goes over, it goes under the sway bar, and then it goes over the steering gear in here. So I pulled it out right here. As you can see, it's right there. So just make sure that you pull this hose out, because if you don't, it's going to come down with the subframe. So we got that all good. Alright, so I got the rack and pinion held up on this hook. There's a little hole in the frame right there. So that little hole right there is going to let you put a bungee cord through it. So as you can see, I got it supported all up. I did have to take off this carrier plate for the exhaust, because that was sitting on top of the brake line. So I took that out, and now my subframe is ready to drop. So that's what I'm doing here, as you can see. That's your engine right there. Alrighty, guys.
You got anything? No, that's hybrid. It came off a it's not a hybrid. It came off a fucking actual.
Alrighty, guys, so I wasn't able to get in these bushings. Unfortunately, they were too big. So I guess I just got the wrong ones. I'm not sure. And these also couldn't fit either. So I tried for about an hour and I could not get those in at all. So I ended up just using the old bushings again. They're really not in that bad of shape. As you can see, they're not cracked or anything. So, I mean, this should be all right. So now we're just gonna go ahead and start on the valve body. So you're gonna wanna take this transmission line out, and you're gonna wanna take that line off at the top up there. Alrighty, let's get to it. Alrighty, so I just took this hose off. Doesn't look like there's a seal on it. You just wanna take this top off. It's a 22 millimeter. It's just gonna pop right out of that. So just pull it down. Alrighty, so I took the cover off. I just used a hammer, this rubber mallet. You're just gonna want to tap it up and then on the side as well, and then it should just pop right off. So right now, highly recommend taking a video of all these plugs before you go unplugging anything. That way you'll know exactly where everything went when you're done. Alright guys, so I got everything unplugged now. It was kind of hard to get these solenoids unplugged. What I ended up doing was sticking a screwdriver under the back and then prying the clip out that way. And then you're gonna have to take this bolt out here for this sensor right here, this guy. Make sure you clean the tip of that off too. All right, so I just finished cleaning up around this surface here, around the pan here. So I have the valve body on the table here, and so we're going to start by taking pictures of each of these solenoids and making sure that we put them in the right place again. So that is the first step here. Alrighty, let's get to it.
Who is that? That's what I've been trying to figure
Who
out.
is that? Who is that?
I don't know who it is.
Oh. Yeah, to tighten it, I will.
No, for taking it apart and putting it back on. Kind of playing with fire there, buddy.
You think so?
Yeah. If you're working on something that's so important, it might actually fuck up the ability of you being able to drive your car. I would not be using electric tools. I'd be using hand tools the whole way.
Yeah, you're probably right. I mean, I watched a
would
dude.
at least break the bolts loose and then take them out with
Yeah.
electric tools, but to start the bolt, finish the bolt, and to break it loose, hand tools all the way.
Yeah.
Break your
Yeah.
camera, Kevin.
Konnichiwa.
Can you put that in your YouTube channel?
Konnichiwa. Yeah, I will.
Oh, hey. Slow and steady wins the race.
Yeah. What?
We gotta replace the front end of it. Oh, yeah. You're playing with the maze of balls.
Yes. I sure am, Morgan. Holy fuck. This is so terrifying. That's good. Fucking so scared. Y'all are tripping me out, dude. I'm fucking tripping balls. Scaring the shit out of me.
Yeah, he's fucking cooked.
I better not be, dude. This is fucking scary as shit.
Well, the one thing I can tell you whenever I went to the TAC class for automatic transmissions is if any one of those balls get dislodged,
There's
you're
no
never going
balls.
back
There's these little spring check valves.
Yeah.
So they're not actually balls. So they don't just roll around, luckily.
Well, maybe on Volvos, but just don't fuck up, buddy.
Yeah. Thanks, Morgan.
Well, you came this far. Got it.
I did come this far.
Don't worry, you don't have to be ready to work for 3 hours.
I only have 3 hours left? Holy shit.
Whatever you're about to get in your hand. Not that. I forgot too much awesome shit goes into one time knowledge. I said I forgot too much awesome shit goes into one time No? I'm upset with myself. Yeah, I also kicked myself in the rear end too. Yeah, I can tell my shoulder is still this shit is so fucking cold.
Yo, Morgan, you got a 1/4 inch 10mm socket? I think I might if you don't. I'm sorry. It'll show up one day. This torque wrench better be right. I don't fucking know. I'm going to kill myself if my torque wrench is incorrect and this doesn't hold pressure.
You're gonna kill yourself with the torque wrench?
If my torque wrench doesn't have the right fucking shit, I'm going to shit myself. Hello. All done. It's ready to go back in the car.
Where's your solenoids at?
They're right there. I'm gonna put them on still.
Where's your new one?
Over there. Nice.
Uh-oh, it fell out.
Yeah. No, it's normal. This is the manual shift linkage.
Is it shit?
Yeah, literally. Those are my old gaskets. I didn't end up taking apart the whole valve body. I don't know if I should. I don't really want to.
Then don't.
Do you think it's like okay to leave it? Like if the gaskets are all like that, do you think that's fine?
If they gave you the parts, you should put the parts on. Did the instructions say replace other parts?
No, these instructions are for the TransGo kit, and I've already installed all that. But I got a gasket kit over here for the whole valve body, so it's like, it's just if I want to clean it, do you think that it would be worth cleaning, or do you think it's fine?
It's fine. You don't take care of it now anyway, so you don't need to replace them.
It's gonna be,
All right.
Kevin,
What?
it's gonna be really funny when you go home and don't have a ride tonight.
Oh man, my fat ass. Said my fat ass is getting hungry. Went from 130 to 160 in 3 months. I keep thinking Riley's wearing a shirt underneath and it's fucking shit. Oh, come on there, fucking Joseph. So a fucking crap tree.
It's going all right. It's going all right. Yeah.
Replacing the Rostra solenoids is quite simple. In fact, for all the SLU solenoids on all the valve bodies, the procedure is the same. Simply remove the mounting bracket and remove the solenoid. Place the Rostra solenoid into the bore in the same location. Reattach the bracket. You're done. Okay, replacing the SLS and the SLT solenoids is quite simple as well. First, remove the retaining bracket. Remove the solenoids. case with the Rostra solenoids, locating the connector in the same location.
How's it going?
It's going good. I'm about to put it back in the car.
Oh yeah, you're done already?
Yeah.
Now on this early version, the Volvo
Wait, so you took all that shit out?
Yeah.
to use the Rostra
And
bracket that's been
so what?
supplied with
So
the
what
kit.
is
This
you
will
taking all that
adapt
shit out
the
do?
I replaced all
longer
this.
solenoids to the shorter snout valve body.
So these are the like pistons that shift the car. And so I replaced all of them.
There was so much more in there.
I didn't need to. I didn't replace all of it. I only replaced like the key parts that are causing my issues.
Okay.
Yeah.
The solenoids. And when you replace the Rostra solenoids, always rotate the connector towards the SLU solenoid. Similar to how it was in the early valve body. That's
Going places, man.
and when you replace the Rostra solenoids, always rotate the connector towards the SLU solenoid. Similar to how it was in the early valve body. And the SLS is the same way. Rotate it towards the SLU and replace it with the Rostra bracket.
Type shit.
Dude, I didn't disconnect my battery. You think it'll matter?
How long did you let it sit before you started taking shit out?
Like an hour?
And yeah, I think it's fine.
Okay.
Maybe. I don't fucking know.
Yeah, I don't either.
Depends on what circuits they are. 'Cause if they're always fucking hot,
Yeah, right. I don't think they are.
I don't think it's that big a deal. Why?
Yeah, I don't think so either.
Who was getting in your head?
No, nothing. I just like, I saw it on YouTube. I totally forgot that's the first step.
No, I don't think it's a problem because it's a first step.
Yeah, as long as I don't turn it on.
The only
you know?
reason you're disconnecting the battery is to discharge any built-up current charge left in any sort of capacited circuits. So you didn't
Right.
short anything out, and I don't think you fucked up anything. So
Yeah.
I highly doubt it's gonna matter.
Okay.
Wait, is it still connected?
The battery?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's fucking funny.
Why?
It's just funny because it's like everything's already out and the battery's still fucking connected.
Well,
You
yeah.
still have a live circuit.
As long as that key don't twist,
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah, no, I mean, you didn't show anything else, so I highly doubt it'd be a problem.
Yeah, I don't think I did.
Papa Bear?
Whew. Show some goddamn respect.
Then maybe you'll smell better.
If I smell like cum, it's from your mom.
What?
So if I smell like a cum, it's from your mom.
My mom's a very nice lady.
She is. She does some pretty magical things sometimes.
I could have seen that one.
Yes, I am. All right, so before you put it back in, you're gonna make sure to replace these two O-rings right here. These cannot come out while you put it in. So I got this all put together. These are the Rostra solenoids. So all the tabs are gonna be facing upwards. The OEMs, these ones were facing downward that way. So these ones are the Rostra ones. You can tell by the ring on the outside here. They're gonna be facing up that way. And then make sure you get this clip on there as well for the wire harness. That's gonna be going under this. All these bolts are torqued to 62 inch-pounds. So. Alrighty guys, so I'm right now I am testing the transmission. So far it's been shifting okay. I got my Vita over here. I've been watching the shifts. It seems like it's doing pretty good. I'm being extremely light on the pedal right now. I do have it in adaptive mode. And yeah, like I said, it's taking time to learn the new shifting pattern. But overall it is doing good. We're still moving. Luckily we haven't had any bangs into gear yet. So I think that we've done a good job here. I did already look for leaks as well. The pan is sealed, we're doing good. So yeah, right now I'm just test driving it, making sure that it feels good and shifts right. And so far it is. I'll show you a little downshift here. So normally when I would do this, it would slam into gear and I would get lurched forward basically. And it hasn't done that at all yet. So it is feeling pretty good. It's shifting nicely. I'm just a little nervous, you know, obviously about really feeling it. Obviously I can't really do that yet. Probably gonna wait 100 miles or something before I start really getting on it in this car. But so far everything's going good. Subframe went back on smoothly. No issues there. So we're slowly but surely driving this thing. Just getting that shift pattern relearned. And again, I couldn't have done any of this without the Vita here, because you have to put it in adaptive mode when you do valve body work. So we are currently doing good though. We will see sooner than later. So alrighty guys, unfortunately I'll say this here, but if my transmission ever breaks, I will comment on this video and tell you guys how long it lasted before it broke down. So hopefully it's, you know, hundreds of thousands of miles from now, but you never really know with transmissions and valve bodies, especially me being, this is my first valve body I've ever touched. Definitely first valve body I've ever taken apart, so whew, very scared. But so far everything's going really smooth, so we'll see how it goes. And I'll keep you guys up to date, of course. So alrighty, have a good one guys, bye.